Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must start by establishing legal ownership. You cannot and should not attempt to alter device identifiers yourself. Once you have proof, receipt, carrier account, or registration, contact your carrier and Google support. Make sure to back up everything first, because authorized service may reset the phone. Also note the current Imei and serial from settings about phone. This helps providers verify the device. Doing this protects you legally and sets up a proper, supported path to resolve Imei problems. Once done, make an appointment with an authorized repair center or follow carrier escalation procedures. This is the correct route if the Imei is missing or corrupted. Make sure to request a diagnostic and written authorization before any hardware or firmware service. Avoid third-party services that advertise Imei changes. Those actions are illegal and risky. Get receipts and a repair report so your carrier or Google can update records or replace the device if needed. These steps preserve warranty and prevent legal exposure. To finish, follow through with replacement or authorized repair outcomes. If the device is replaced, confirm the new Imei is correctly registered with your carrier. If anything goes wrong, escalate. Keep all documentation, file complaints with the carrier and Google, and, if necessary, involve consumer protection or local authorities. Make sure to clarify whether the network blacklist status needs removal and have the carrier perform any whitelisting after verification. This protects you and ensures compliance with laws and carrier policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.